And that's it. You've made it to the end of my course. I've taken you through my entire workflow, and we went through making a full animation from start to finish. I'm honored that you decided to take my course, and I hope that this gave you some inspiration to start making your own animations, stick figure or otherwise. Animation is a beautiful medium and one of the coolest ways to express yourself. It took me years to find my own voice and style, so use what you've seen in the course as a starting point to find your own voice. This course is a peek into my voice, but if you really want to explore the medium, keep learning. Keep experimenting. Take more animation courses. There are so many other animation methods you can play with. 3D, motion graphics, stop motion, cutouts. There's really no limit to what can be done with animation and how you can approach it. That's what I've learned when I took a stick figure and had it fight against the mouse cursor. It was small. It was basic. It was all I could create with the limited equipment and technical knowledge I had at the time. But none of that mattered because if you have a good story, some spare time, and the will to do the work, nothing is going to stop you from telling your story to everyone who wants to hear it. And I can't wait to see what you come up with. So thanks for watching. Is that it? Are we done?